Hey, Captain. Hey, got on you later. Hey, Captain 16. Captain 16, tell him let that be a lesson. Tell him let that be a lesson. Hey, DD. Hello, Superman around Georgia. Hello, big Superman around Georgia. Yeah, man. I ain't got no spot right no more, Captain 16. I'm his boss, man. That's why I know I'm his boss, man. Take care, Captain 16, Mr. California. Bye-bye. Listen, no, can't be right here, can't be. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go. Hey, 16, let him go. Hey, Captain 16, I'm gonna let him go. Yeah, it can't be. Captain 16. Get a little swing on this Captain. Hey, Superman! Hey, Superman! Let me know. Mr. California, bye-bye. Mr. California, Mike, will you stay up solid south? Superman, stop running good now. Okay, Superman. The big man, 10-7. The big man, 10-7. That's it. You're very damn nice. I'm back it down so them boys can talk, man. I'm back it down so them boys can talk. Hey, Superman, I'm about to speak to you down so them boys can talk. Superman, come on. What are you smoking? Hey, Captain 16. What am I smoking? Captain 16. Tell me what am I smoking? Tell him don't complain. Tell him take his ass up in 16. Tell him don't complain. Now, number one man in Kansas City, Captain, that's all. Right now, I want you to tell me that I use we feel that folks didn't see what was good. See something good to find. I like to mess with them kind of old in Kansas, Missouri. Hey, Superman. This guy thinking himself sitting and make no asshole. Yeah, I did follow that. I like the way this give him the cheese. Don't give him no wine. Don't give him no wine. Give him the cheese. Hey, Superman, the big man, say. Yeah, you a blind man. You can't see. And if I send a picture to you, you can't see nothing. Yeah, your boy said you down on 50 Cornell. I said to myself, I don't know why my house talking that way there, folks. I was very good. I said, that, folks. Alright, let me get down over here. We ain't got no more money. I heard the boys get to California about 10 seconds. Well, anyway, they were talking to out west there. They were talking to the West Coast there, folks. Yeah, I know you got to do it. Take care, Superman. I'm going to Superman, Mr. California. Ooh, 63 in Cali, working his eyes, 16 back quiet. You're just another mud run. I'm out. Down that way, trying to get the case. The big man officially 10-7. Hey, 101, I'm trying to swing these sticks. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Boy, this guy think it's swinging now, boy. I ain't kidding you. Hello, look at that. Look at your needle, see that guy. When I haul, see that guy get jump. Hey, 101, you got them. Let me start this recording. Yeah, Denpo, your boy. Your boy turned that way. That's the only way he want to talk now. That guy nigga don't want to talk nowhere to the west side. I had Superman in my ear on that key, man. Superman still in my ear, no doubt about it. I'm trying to swing these sticks up that way.